Okay, now with the rear frame strut connectors cut out and cleaned up, I need to go ahead and clamp them in place and figure out where they're going to be. Two pieces that I made, clamped into position here. I've got it fairly square, fairly straight. I've got a little bit more to do. I'm going to actually drill a few holes in here and down here in order for this to have a little bit better weld bond to the main frame and to the top crossbar. But it's pretty straight. I've got a few markings on it. I'm gonna, like I said, keep working on it a little bit more, but we're level here, and it looks like it might be pretty strong.